I've gathered all these ingredients from the pantry. I'll be doing a rack of lamb roast with mustard and a beetroot salad. To start, let's prepare the beetroot. I'm going to roast some nice baby beetroot, just cutting off the end, adding a generous amount of olive oil and a dash of salt. And this goes into the oven for a good 30 minutes until the beetroot gets nice, juicy and caramelized. Now it's time to prepare the hero of the dish, the lamb rack. I'm going to remove some of the trimmings here, the cap. I don't need too much of this, and I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to use it for a sauce that I'm going to make later. And now, time to season it. I'm applying a good amount of salt, pepper, dried oregano, some chili flakes, a generous amount of olive oil. Rub. Make sure all the seasonings get into the meat. Make sure the pan is really hot. I want to give a quick sear on the lamb rack for about 1 to 2 minutes. You should be hearing the nice sizzling sound. So apply a generous amount of Dijon mustard, or you can even use hot English mustard, whichever you prefer. And this goes into the oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees. After 8 minutes, give a check. If you're not happy, put it back in again. While the beetroot and the lamb is cooking away, I'm going to use all the trimmings from the lamb rack earlier to make a nice sauce for it. Sauce is looking beautiful. I'm going to add about 10 to 15 grams of butter. Do not add too much because the fat from the lamb is already very rich, and the butter is going to make it even more richer. If you don't whisk, the butter will start to split away from the sauce and it will not combine together.